Hello, my name is Piotr Wesołowski. I'm currently living and working in Poland, just beside Wrocław city. I've graduated Academy of Fine Arts in 2008. Just before that, I've graduated in Architecture department on Technical University and Sculpture on University of Wolverhampton in Great Britain. In the moment, I'm working sculpture, design and architecture and urban planning on the Academy of Fine Arts Sculpture department and on Academy Architecture department, Technical University. I'm planning, designing and implementing large-scale works, spatial installations, just on the border between sculpture and architecture. That's a part of our group. We carry on the project with 5 students from Academy of Fine Arts and Architecture department. Unfortunately, 2 of our group didn't manage to come with us, but the rest is here. So there's the Karolina and Nathan from Academy of Fine Arts and Natalia from Technical University and Architecture department.
For me, it has big meaning. I think we learned a lot during doing the work, and as well we had a lot of great time together. We got to know each other more, and I think it will be easier for us as well to make next works for the future. We were inspired by the nature, and we wanted to do sculpture which would stick with the surroundings and collaborate with the nature.
We created 10 pieces from plastic pipes, and that's this part which you can see above the water. The rest, which is over 2 meters, under it. And all those pieces are working a little bit like a fishing float. So there's this part over the water, and then this one which is keeping it on it, and the weight which is making it straight. In this way that the wind and this water movement will give this natural movement of all this installation.
So the funny anecdote, I think, was, underneath the red paint, those pipes are white. So while we were grinding them, that creates a lot of white dust. So we were all covered in this white dust. But especially it was funny for those, I think, who were just drawing something on us on top of my head, because it was all covered in white dust. So they were coming to us, drawing something on our heads, on our backs, and asking, "What are you baking?" or where does it snow? So yeah, it was pretty fun, I think, for our environment, especially not for us. But yeah, actually, yeah, it was fun for us also.
I think the best moment of this event was that our project was selected to implementation, and we have a lot of fun working together. This project has brought us together, and it began our incredible adventure.
I just wanted to say that the France is actually, yeah, it is beautiful. I'm excited about the volcano. That is actually, it doesn't work anymore, but I like it anyway. There's plenty of lakes. I'm really excited about this, yeah, environment. It looks really good. I have never been on a boat, and I could do it here. So yeah, thank you, Horizon.